In this video, I'm talking about 7 powerful reasons why wealth flows to creators, not consumers. Let's jump straight into it. Number 1, creators build assets, consumers buy them. Simple as that. If I could sum all of this into one single thing, that right there is majority of it, right? Creators build assets, consumers buy them. Creators own the products, platforms, and intellectual property that make money. Consumers just rent the experience. Creators collect the checks, right? So when you're on social media, when you're watching this, when you're watching that, someone created that thing for you to consume, and when you watch it, they make money, right? And so obviously, if you were to put yourself in a position where you're the creator, the same thing would happen to you, right? Number 2, creators multiply their impact. A single idea, piece of content, or product can reach millions. Wealth follows scale, and creators leverage the internet, media, and systems to multiply themselves, right? So obviously, there's people that do, like, if you go back, 20, 30 years ago, people would do conferences, they would do, meet and greets, they would sit down and talk about it. They would write books, right? You would learn what someone knew by figuring out a way to go and meet them in person, or by purchasing something that they've created with their knowledge in it, right? Where now a creator like myself, or an Alex Hormozi, a John Maxwell, you name it, they have content put out to where you don't necessarily have to go buy a book anymore. You can just go on YouTube and watch them talk the same way you would watch them talk at a conference, where there was a period of time where you couldn't necessarily do that. And so we've been able to multiply our impact simply due to this right here. You can watch this video over and over and over and over and over again if you don't get it. And there's 20 videos this month just like this one that you can also watch from me if my videos are something that impacted you in any sort of way, right? Number 3, creators solve problems, consumers chase pleasure. Money follows solutions. Creators ask, what pain can I solve? Consumers ask, what feels good right now? One builds value, the other burns it. Number 4, creators take ownership, consumers stay passive. Creators take responsibility for results, good or bad. Consumers wait to be entertained, saved, or led. That passivity costs them wealth. Right now, this is huge. Creators take responsibility for the results, good or bad. No matter what, it's the creator's fault if something works or it doesn't work. And it's not bad if it doesn't work. You just found out another reason why it doesn't work, right? This kind of goes into mindset shifts. This kind of goes into why most people don't get involved in businesses and creativity and stuff like this in the first place, is because they care too much about the results. And if something doesn't work, they don't know how to take responsibility for it. It's always that would have worked if fill in the blank, or that would have did this if fill in the blank. And the thing is, whether it works or doesn't work, it's still your fault. And most people don't like that responsibility, so they'll never actually go off and be a creator. Number 5, creators learn, then teach. Consumers just consume. Huge. Everything I'm talking about in these videos that I've been doing recently, or just in general, is not stuff that I'm just making up out of thin air, right? I take time, specific time, to learn, to research, to develop my own skills, to practice, to gain experience and wisdom in the things that I'm talking to you guys about. After that, I then teach it to you guys, right? So I've spent time reading the books and listening to the podcast and doing all this stuff so that way I can teach it to you guys, right? And then I create out of that cycle, right? Where most people, they go on social media, they'll watch this video, and then they'll scroll and watch another video. And the next video might not be anything attached to this video, nothing to accomplish their goals, nothing in the right direction. And they're just going video after video after video after video after video. And you have to get to a point where when you consume, you then teach what you're consuming, right? which then has to go into changing what you're actually consuming on a daily basis. What are you consuming? Are you just watching a bunch of basketball clips? If you are, the only way to make that an asset or something that's an investment in your life is to go and start probably a basketball podcast, or to start talking about basketball. Just because you're not consuming self-development information doesn't mean that you can't create content, or you can't create in general. You can still create, it just will be something that's different than maybe what I'm creating or what you're watching, right? If you like something, start creating about it. Don't just watch it all day. Like, what's the point of watching it if you're not gonna like do anything with it? So that this has been one of those topics. My wife it gets on my wife's nerves all the time, but like, I can't watch something and then not want to turn it into some sort of like productive thing that I'm doing, right? Number 6. I think I'm on number 6, right? Number 6, creators risk judgment, consumers fear it. Creating opens you up to criticism, but also opportunity. Most consumers stay silent, watching from the sideline, never putting themselves out there. I run into so many people that would be so good at social media if they just stopped caring so much about what other people think. Chances are you're somebody who's watching this right now, and you would probably be amazing at social media if you just got over yourself. Simple as that. You gotta just try it. At the end of the day, it is what it is. People are gonna watch it, some people won't. The posts you're posting right now, some people are liking them, some people aren't. It's the same thing, just a little bit different, right? Like, just who cares? At the end of the day, when you watch something, teach about it, talk about it, tell other people about it. Don't just consume and waste your time scrolling, doom scrolling, doing all this crap for no reason, right? And last but not least, number 7, creators think, how can I build? Consumers think, what can I get? One is asking the right question. Wealth flows to the ones who bring ideas to life, not the ones constantly taking. I hope this video helps. Honestly, if this video doesn't help, I don't know what to say. I think that we're at a place right now in life, just in these modern times, where it's as simple as hitting record and talking about what you've been watching. I genuinely, like, I don't have anything to say to the person who can't press record and just talk about what they've been doing and what they've been watching and what they're learning to help other people. And then in turn, it creates an asset. Asset creation has never been easier than it is right now, right? This video will be an asset. This one video, this 10-minute video will be an asset for years. As long as this video is up on YouTube, it'll be an asset. And there's no cuts in this video, so you're watching exactly what I'm doing in real time, and people say that this is too hard. I don't know. I don't get it. I never will get it. Maybe it's not for me to get. And so at the end of the day, these are the 7 powerful reasons why wealth flows to creators, not consumers. Again, number 1, creators build assets, consumers buy them. Number 2, creators multiply their impact. Number 3, creators solve problems, consumers chase pleasure. Number 4, creators take ownership, consumers stay passive. Number 5, creators learn, then teach, consumers just consume. Number 6, creators risk judgment, consumers fear it. Last but not least, creators think, number 7, creators think, how can I build? Consumers think, what can I get? Hope this video helps. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment what you thought below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.